Una welcome back, my people. This is not still the matter what they call I, the red. This is not the only bus where you get 4 drivers and we 4, they always day here every Saturday. And this Valentine Saturday, for this night, we sit there here to make your Valentine night. Make the tea, they sweet you for body where. So you just sit down, they hear all the tea with the tosses. Beyonce don't sing national anthem for us. I would not say Piki will sing national anthem because he give us the meaning for you know back.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
I will say here the case of the matter of the man way born in wife. Because I also get children. God will judge you.
We judge you.
God will judge you.
Oh,
and also the one way they talk say, like say the wife, the parents, the bride price they give her too much. Now he kidnap the woman, cuckoo keep her for house for 9 years. They hide them, they marry. They hide them, marry.
We don't sure say that because of the bride price. Maybe that's one guy. Maybe now one of your friends they eye wife. Or maybe one man will get money pass them, they hide the wife. That's okay. Well, that case man lock them up.
If it be anything.
Okay.
Make him not bring quarrel. In case you see get topic there, we be like say you don't see for newspaper, for TV or anywhere, just write and down. All you need to do, write and down for paper. If you don't see the newspaper, write and down. Tell us the place where you take here, so that we'll fit us okay now for so place now take it down. Send that, come give us for our Twitter and will be at I the red. At I the red. And also send and give us for email, will be I the red at Wazobia TV.tv. We will go bring and call your talk and the way this thing will take tutorial for body. But at the end, all na joke. It's a joking thing. Lucky child, what is the next matter we'll get for the matter?
Okay, nice question. The next matter we'll get, I want to can teach that man lesson where born in wife, because wife be born girls speaking. This very video we go see girl, Indian girl, get one leg. She use her dance, so she win award. I bet producer, I'm gonna slam us this video. Most advise people to say get picking and nothing. See what you get picking, bring up family, fame, fortune, name.
One leg. Great.
How is she going to dance? How is she going to dance?
How unfair life is, yeah.
Oh, God bless talent.
Sorry.
Elenu, I want dance like that again. My dance. Elenu, Shaggy. Oh, jeez. Oh, that man will born you why because of guests.
We need to join hands, swear for that man.
If you see,
we need to
join hand.
join hand.
Join hand.
We need to swear for that
No,
man.
I want join leg.
Because that leg that get
Join
show
leg,
things.
swear for that man.
And so,
Oga, na person.
Jack,
Girl
join leg
pikin,
now.
family we get only one girl because she get one leg. Say she dey make the family proud. You get girls, valuable children. You say because your wife no born boy, you born her ablaze. If not, we say we be Christian.
Elenu, before you swear
If
for
not,
the
we say
man.
we be Christian. I must say make God punish you.
Elenu,
But I don't want to say make God punish you. But I must say make God punish you.
Wait.
I don't want,
Before you swear for the man, I don't want people they get reason for things. Maybe the man they stay near Allen, where all those girls they can't stand. You know, they stand where so in the 6 of kinds where girls they do. So girls will be girls. Not gonna set good example. So that when person when they born girls, it get reason to appreciate. If you go see where guys they shade themselves like people with dry turkey for.
But nice one, do this one with this girl. But not be every dance. Now that girl go feed dance.
But the girl still try.
Actually, what
but seriously, on the matter.
Sanko,
no,
Galala.
No,
Galala. If the teacher go dance
Come on there, Galala.
The guy if he move like this.
Where you go carry 2 legs, go front.
No, now
one leg, come back.
Now one leg, she go. Okay, on the matter of Galala or no Galala, you know say when they watch old video, now they tell you see many of these dance. My brothers, now so one Hausa girl, they go they watch old video. The husband come tell and say, Aisha, you are watching old video when you supposed to be saying prayers. Now Aisha say, what do you mean? Carry remote off tell if they born you well. As husband, carry remote off tell the brothers. And this babe pour husband Otota. When they play, Otota can go down the man intestine.
Yeah?
The guy die. So this title, they call him wife kill husband because of own video.
Wow.
You see how? What would they tell this our own video people? More than they do this way, go they teach us something. All this is all Valentine love.
That's tragic.
Valentine love. Now somebody we don't get one before burning for love. Now this one is cook for love. Cook husband for love.
But wait, let me say
Valentine die for everybody.
For everybody,
Valentine
die for love. Now Jesus died for everybody.
Jesus died for love.
Where they quote you?
Valentine no die for me.
Sorry.
Which one about the
One another verse.
You want to go for the show? What's wrong with Shaggy?
And they try to understand where Shaggy they come from.
No, they understand rubbish.
All the people in love die. See, Achilles died for love. Spartacus kill for love. Shakespeare wey write love. Romeo and Juliet fell in love.
Mrs. Lucky said, if your husband don't come house by 6:30, kill him for love.
My wife can't do that.
She don't die for love.
And they stand by love.
You get waiting I noticed from this story. It be like saying intestine the quick done. Only hot water way poor skin.
I mean they like Shaggy now.
Maybe we go try am for your side.
That intestine take done.
Go take.
Make it be like say now only India now we go. Make we see another one-legged person. We see this one our own African person here.
Okay, that your cool brother picking.
No, that I like this guy. This guy use plushes. Now make a few dance like that. But this guy they dance, yeah.
But sit down away, John.
I clap for that guy.
See, this guy jump, shake this in.
But this one a very good example to most disabled when they
Yes.
There's ability in disability.
Yes,
That guy shows you.
just
see that
African jetty.
because you not get one leg, you go enter road because
This one you got to beg
And some of them na fake.
I know that.
I don't see one for Joel Legba that way waka beg me. I give her 200. You know, say the following day I see the guy for Lancing, the guy they waka away. I say, hey, no, I give 200. Yesterday when the guy say, hey, let's go walk no close.
I was sitting there. The guy sitting there.
Correct guy like that. This one I bring come to the end of today matter. Now here the boss go stop for today. Next week Saturday we'll continue our journey.
When you sweet me. You are producer.
Hello. Monica, you know the video for inside PC out there. They go to shout from you. No. Tell us time don't go. This was again. But because it's Valentine, I don't tell you before. Say we go end this show the way they go test with you for body. Now national anthem. Now want to end them.
Okay.
No, we be us sing. So when they play that national anthem, I go hold Shaggy. Shakara go hold lucky side. We'll come dance romantic dance. Come up for inside studio.
Okay.
One more time, national anthem. Thank you for joining us. My name na Eleno. On behalf of Shaggy, Shakara, Lucky Side, Monica, Ajuse, and Tunde Orebiyi. Thank you, Alan. God bless you all for here.
All the blessed. Honestly speaking.